very simple, okay? What this is just going to be combining like terms, isolating the variable. That's a 2.
You can get it turned off.
Equals negative 31. All right, so here's my problem. I've got negative 3z minus 5 plus a 2z equals 31. All right, now this is kind of set up for us already. All right, I draw my line down right there. I want my variable on one side, I want my number on the other, because the object of this game is to get the variable by itself, okay? Y'all remember that game?
Yes.
All right.
Don't you combine like terms on this?
Let's combine, exactly, Ricky. Let's combine our like terms right here, because we got z's on both sides. Negative 3z plus a 2z. What's negative 3 plus 2? If I've got it, it's negative 3 degrees on the temperature, and I go up 2 degrees, what's the temperature?
Negative 5?
No, other way.
Negative 4.
Other way. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so I've got a negative 1z minus 5 equals negative 31. Okay?
Can we write these in our books for examples?
Yes, please write this in your notes for your examples. All right, now that I'm here, all right, do I have to write the 1 in front of my z?
No.
No, I don't have to. Okay?
But we gotta get the z by itself.
And we're close. We're real close to having z by itself. This is an easy one.
Now we gotta add 5.
All we have to do is add 5. Okay?
On both sides.
And if I add 5 to this side, I got to add 5 over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay? And I've got
That cancels out.
negative z equals how much? If it's negative 31 degrees and the temperature goes up 5 degrees, what's 31 minus 5?
36.
Use your calculators.
Negative 31 going up 5. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. Remember, we used the temperature gauge there. If it's, here's my thermometer. We're down here at negative 31 and it goes up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. These are negatives. So I got a negative z equals negative 26. Am I done?
No.
Why not?
Okay, now you gotta divide 2 by 26. Negative 2 by negative.
Not negative 2, but can I have a negative variable?
Yes.
No. Cannot have a negative variable. So all I have to do, what did we say was in front of this? A negative what?
1.
So I'm going to divide by negative 1 here. They cancel out. Divide by negative 1. What happens when I divide a negative and a negative? What does it say on our answer, our acre chart?
Positive.
Becomes a positive. So z, yes, you did say it, Chris, equals 26. Okay? Make sure you have that written down in your notebook. Okay? Now we're going to go on to the next problem. Okay? And if you didn't get that, we'll visit it again later. Okay? Remember, whole part whole. Now, I'm going to step it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. All right? Let's say that I've got x plus 20 divided by negative 3 equals negative 4. All right? Again, it's set up pretty good in the fact that I got my variable on one side, and I got my numbers on there, because the object of this game is to get the variable by itself. I got this negative 3 down here. What do I need to do? What's my inverse operation? I need to get rid of it. What's the inverse operation of division? AJ? Multiplication. So let's multiply each side, because what I do over here, I got to do over here, times negative 3. Each side times negative 3. Okay? When I do that, this cancels out. That leaves me x plus 20. Carry my equal sign down. What is negative 4 times negative 3? Use your calculator if you need to. Negative 4 times negative 3. Look at the front of your notebook and your multiplication chart if you need to.
Negative 4 times
negative 3. We know a negative is negative, so my answer is going to be what?
A positive.
It's going to be a positive. Good. What's my number? 4 times 3. 12. Good, Alyssa. So now, this is solvable. Now it's solvable. What do I need to do, AJ, to get the
Subtract
variable
20.
by itself?
Subtract 20.
Subtract 20. Thank you, AJ.
You're welcome.
Subtract 20.
On both sides.
And what do we call that? What's the official math term for this? What am I doing over here?
Inverse operation.
Not inverse operation. That is the inverse operation. Very good. But what am I doing to the variable? I'm getting the variable by itself. What is our word for that?
Inverse operation.
No, inverse operation is right here when I do the opposite. Isolate the variable.
Is that up there?
Well, you're going to see that on the milestone.
Is that up there? That's not
Is it on the word wall?
No.
All right, well, I'll put it up there. So this cancels out. I'm left with x equals, get your calculator. What is 12 minus 20? If I have $12 and I've got to pay somebody 20 for something, how much money do I have to get? -8. Good, Alyssa. And there's my answer. Okay? Remember, when we start talking about negative numbers, that's like being in the hole. I've got $12. I need 20 to go to the movie. How much money am I going to have to borrow? I'm going to have to come up with $8 somewhere. Okay? Any questions on that one? All right. Getting to the last one. This is going to be your most difficult problem. Okay?
Is it one like this one?
There's going to be one like this, one like the first one, and then there's going to be one like this right here. Okay? And this is definitely, this encompasses more. 27 plus 5x equals -9 times 2s plus 7. I'm sorry, y'all, my twos look awful. Now, what's the first thing I need to do here?
You gotta start in parentheses.
I got to start with my parentheses. That's right. Okay, because what do we say for PEMDAS? What's our saying for that one? Remember when I told you when I was a kid it was please, please, my dear Aunt Sally. Now what do we say?
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I want to distribute the 9. I'm going to distribute it to a 2s. I'm going to distribute it to 7. Okay? This just carries down. I'm not touching anything on this side yet. 27 plus 5x equals, what is 9 times 2?
18.
18. What is a positive? A positive times a negative. What's my sign going to be?
A negative.
Negative, good, because we don't mix oil and water. Negative 18s plus, what is 9 times 7? Calculator or multiplication? Yeah, 2s. Negative 2s. I know, my 2's are terrible. I'm going to try and write it down. 63. And because I got a negative and a positive, what is my sign going to be?
Negative.
Good, Alyssa. Oil and water is always negative. Negative 63.
You got multiplication charts in these compositions?
Yeah, in the very back, last page.
Okay? So, now, I need to work on combining, and this should be an X, y'all. I'm sorry.
Oh, I got to write a 5.
Okay?
Oh, that's an A.
Now we got to combine like terms. Okay?
Oh, so now you're going to start with the...
Let's be consistent. So far, we put our variable on this side every time. So to move negative 18x over here, what do I need to do?
Divide.
Not divide. What's the
Well,
opposite?
restoration.
What's the
Multiply.
opposite of subtraction?
Oh, add.
Multiply.
Subtract.
Plus 18x.
Multiply.
These cancel out. Plus 18x. And while I'm here, let's go ahead and move 27 over here.
I said add.
Okay? What's the opposite of addition? What's the inverse
Subtract.
operation? Subtract. So I'm going to subtract 27. That'll cancel out. Subtract 27. What's 18? You got my X here. What's 18 plus 5? Kiara? What's 18 plus 5? 19, 20,
23.
23. Good, Chris.
That's what I said.
23x equals, and what is negative 63 plus negative 27? 3 and 7 is 0. I'm gonna carry my 1. 7 and 2, 90. Negative 23x equals negative 90. Now, these are in here tight.
No, we gotta get them by themselves.
How do I get it by myself?
If you gotta divide.
Right. Divide by 23. Cancels out. Divide by 23. X equals, if I divide in my calculator, 90 divided by 23. What is my answer?
A negative 3.9.
Good, good, good. Negative 3.91. Okay? Any questions?